So hey everyone, this is JEEM and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I am going to unbox kahit walang box.
Ginagawa mo!
I was looking for a game na malaro namin ng family ko and then I found this at Shopee. I ordered this for 333 pesos. Yung original price na is mga 473 ata yun. Nakakuha ko ng discount tsaka free shipping ko siya overseas. So I will now open this. And we got this one. Naka-ziplock. So, ito po yung game. Parang board game po siya. Ayan. So, this game is called Battleship. At meron po siyang 5 ships. Ito. So, good for 2 players. At meron po siyang orange tsaka white na pegs. Ayan. So far, walang damage yung parcel natin. Ayan. Good job. In the camera.
How to play with that? How to play
Say
with
hi in the camera.
Hi. How to play with that?
Later.
A few moments later.
So now we finished assembling.
The game. Let us start.
The objective of Battleship is to sink all of your opponent's ships before they sink yours. To begin, each player grabs a battleship box and secretly arranges their 5 ships on the lower grid. Every ship must be completely on the grid and cannot be placed diagonally or overlapping another ship. Once this is done, player 1 takes a shot. To take a shot, name a square on the upper grid using the letter and number coordinates. For example, the square in the top left corner is A1, as it is in the row labeled A and in the column labeled 1. Player 2 then looks at the coordinates on their lower grid. If the coordinates denote any empty square, player 2 says, miss. Player 1 should put a white peg in their upper grid at the coordinates to show there is nothing there. If the coordinates denote a white square with part of a ship on it, player 2 says, hit. Then, player 1 places a red peg in their upper grid at those coordinates, and player 2 places a red peg on the spot of their ship that was hit. Regardless of whether a shot was a hit or a miss, the next player will then take a shot. When every square of a ship gets hit, the player who placed that ship says, "You sunk my ship." The game ends when somebody sinks all of their opponent's ships.
Ikaw una. Sige, maya ka ikaw yung letter ng number. Letter ano nga number?
A2.
A2.
Miss.
Sige. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. D4.
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 Yes.
Hit. Naigo mo na akong ship.
Yay!
H3. Say H3. that's it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So if you want to order, you may check the description box below. And yes, that's it. Bye!